Welcome to Bike Shift, where we bring you all the latest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into one of the most eagerly anticipated releases of 2025, the Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters. If you're someone who's been waiting for an entry-level motorcycle that delivers both power and style, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Royal Enfield has long been known for its rugged, classic designs and reliable performance, but they've always focused on larger engine models. In 2025, they're stepping into a new territory with their first 125 cubic centimeters offering. This move aims to cater to new riders, commuters, and even seasoned motorcyclists looking for a more agile and fuel-efficient bike. The Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters brings that signature vintage charm we've come to expect from the brand, but with a modern twist. So, what can we expect from this new offering? First up, let's talk design. The 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is a compact yet sturdy bike, with a retro-inspired look that screams classic Royal Enfield aesthetics. Think round headlamps, a sleek fuel tank, and a design that's clean yet muscular. The frame has been designed to be lightweight and agile, ensuring a smooth ride through the city or even along the countryside. One of the most notable features is the attention to detail in the build quality. You get the robust construction that Royal Enfield is known for, yet it's been refined for a more compact and approachable size. The bike's ergonomics are perfect for daily commuting, with a slightly lower seat height that should make it accessible to a wider range of riders. Under the hood, the 125 cubic centimeters engine is engineered to offer a balance between power and fuel efficiency. You can expect a smooth and responsive ride, whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway. The engine is designed to deliver a reliable 10 to 12 horsepower, making it perfect for both beginners and those looking for an economical daily ride. The bike features a modern fuel